YouTube. It is your boy DS Dan. I am finally back, guys. I know I've been away for a while, but things been kind of hectic. Back at it, definitely to bring you guys these reviews so you guys can see these shoes. We have the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 set to release on this Saturday, which is the 15th, May 15th. Retail is going to be $170. I am going to give you guys a detailed review on these bad boys and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Everyone knows the Shadows. Back in the day, man, I love the Shadow ones. I actually like them way better than these, but you know, these are pretty clean, I must say. Definitely not on the Shadow level, but hey, 2.0s, I think they clean. Let's get into these Air Jordan 1 Shadows. I'm not even gonna talk too much, guys. You guys can see what the shoe looks like. It's a all white, black, and gray shoe. As you can see, guys, the shoe does come with two sets of laces. Come with gray laces, and it comes with black laces on the shoe. As you can see in the back, it does have a nubuck material. Love all the nubuck on the shoe. Starting off with the front of the toe box, got the black in front of the toe, with your gray also in that nubuck that goes in front of the toe. Very nice. You got your perforated holes. Going up on the tongue, we got a black tongue, black nylon on the tongue. Got the Nike Air in the gray. You can see the shoe has a white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. Very, very fresh. I like the white. When you get over here, middle of the panel here, you can see you do got leather. Take a look. Nike swoosh in the nubuck. Got your gray hits all throughout the upper. You got the wing. Air Jordan with the basketball in black. Medial, same as the lateral, white on the midsole with the hits of black in the middle and that leather, that light gray, just looking fire. As for sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. In the back, you can see you got your black leather on the top. You got your gray all in the back, looking clean. Black inner sole, Nike Air sock liner in black, as you guys can see. All black outer sole with the Nike Air branding right there, all black. In the bottom, just dope. That is basically it, guys. Real quick, straight to the point. Dope pair of Air Jordan 1 set to release this Saturday, May 15th. Let me know what you guys are gonna do. Are you going for these? Are you passing? What do you guys think of these? Dope shoe for the summer. Throw on a nice fit, look fresh. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and follow me on Instagram. Come on, man, it don't hurt to click that red button, that red subscribe button. All you gotta do is click it and you'll be subscribed, and you'll be able to see more videos when I post. You know what I'm saying? And click the bell also. All right, enough talking. It's your boy DS Dan. Let's get into this on feet.